might got something going here, gang. Yeah, that thing gonna look good. The narrow body white Hellcat Charger is looking good up against our wide body Daytona thing, man. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally took delivery of another Harley Davidson, man. I know you guys been enjoying my car content, man, and some of you guys haven't really been enjoying it at all. Some of you guys are like, man, what the heck is going on, man? He's been doing car content for freaking 2 weeks. I want to see some bikes, man. So there we go, man. We just dropped the bikes, man. Go check that video out if you haven't. That thing is already semi-complete, looking like a whole 2021 CVO again, man. So I can't wait. Meanwhile, you guys did see we picked up another Hellcat from Copart recently, and we haven't even got a chance to clean it up or do nothing to it, man. It's been so cold out here. It's finally starting to warm up. So with that being said, man, you guys know I'm out here in the driveway ready to get this thing shined up, ready to get it cracking and see what's really going on, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2022 CVO Road Glide in the blue steel, man, now is the time to do it, man. $25 can have us pulling up to your door with that blue steel thing on the back of a truck, man. All you got to do is support your boy today at everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Movies Only Everything Regular patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. So I can't wait. Now's the time to shine, man. This is the cheapest giveaway ever with the best bike ever, man. So you guys can't get no better than that. The 2022 CVO is up for grabs right now. Meanwhile, man, today's topic is our Hellcat Charger, man. We got to get that thing cleaned up. We might even pull the wheels out and test fit that thing, at least roll them up on side the car just to see how they will look with this white, man. So I can't wait. Let's get up in here, get this thing out, and shine it up nicely now, shall we? Alrighty. The topic of discussion. The topic of discussion. So here, guys, we have it. Our Hellcat Charger with all the oohs and ahs. I'll say all the oohs and ahs. It don't got it on there just yet, but man, y'all know my style. Y'all know my style. It's got so much like salt and just dirt sitting on this thing. I'm actually about to pull it over this way a little bit, so we'll be able to get this thing fully washed up, detailed, and some more. Just get it looking like new again. So can't wait for that. Meanwhile, man, if we take a look at the inside, we definitely gonna have to clean this inside out, man. It's so freaking dirty, and smells like smoke and some more stuff, man. So we got to put our touches on it, man. We'll be able to enjoy it here soon, but all in all, it is time to get this thing looking good again. Mr. SRT himself is about to get this thing looking good because it's already sounding amazing, man. So it's time to bring this thing back to life. Y'all can just see literally the dirt and ice literally sitting on that thing, man. They took off our SRT badges, so we'll have to find some more Hellcat badges, but all in all, should be a pretty good build, pretty fun one at that, man. So let's see what we can get done on this joint. Let's pull this thing over, and we'll get this thing ready to get washed up, gang. All right, so I guess we can get a first start on this thing. We ain't started it since we got it off the trailer the other day, so we'll see what's good. Sounding good, guys. She's sounding real good, man. Let's pull this thing over a little bit and get this thing in the way. Now that we got this thing put in position, man, I can't wait. Y'all take a good look at this dirty to the 5th power Hellcat, man, because this thing is about to get the whole ooh and ah effect real quick. About to look way better than what it does now. So can't wait for that, man. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all let me know. Y'all think it's gonna look good when it's cleaned up? Let me know right now. Comments below. Take a good look, because I'm telling you, it's time to change up, gang. It's up. just like that, guys, we got her all cleaned up, looking good. I ain't gonna hold you, she is kind of armor all down now. Now, I did notice this thing had like a full body like wrap on it before we got it. So this white, it's got a few little spots around it, like little darker spots. Like if you get up close, maybe like some glue or something. That's honestly what it is. It takes a lot to just scrape it off, but all in all, it does come off with a little bit more scrub. So this is just the first wash, man. We'll be getting it more clean and perfect as the days goes on. But more than anything, man, we got the armor all on that joint. We got the SRT shined up. We got that thing looking better than ever. I ain't gonna even hold you. This thing definitely looks good now, man. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. We also cleaned out the inside a little bit. Got it looking a little bit better. Feel me? SRT'd up. Suede and leather seats in the inside. This one doesn't have the sunroof, but all in all, it is pretty fair. Now, if you guys look on the sunroof, on the roof rather, you guys can see it's like a gray wrap. So I don't know if the whole car itself was gray. If you guys see here, yeah, it was definitely gray, the whole car. Because if you guys see here, you guys can see the old wrap still under there. But all in all, really dope looking car. Really dope looking car. Cleaned up really nice, actually, man. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. It's time to get this thing straightened back out and pretty much finish it up for the day. I ain't gonna hold you. It's been a hell of a day. But before we end this video, man, I want to put up one of these wheels on the side of it and see what them things is looking like. Not even one, but maybe like two of them, just so we can get a whole little side shot of this thing. So we're gonna pull these wheels out and get them lined up real quick. Okay, so we got the wheels mounted up. Well, not mounted up, but at least we can see. Ooh, okay. We might got something going here, gang. We might got something going here. Here, let's fix this one up a little bit. Yeah, that thing gonna look good. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. This thing gonna look hard. This thing is gonna look hard. What y'all think, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. It's time to get this thing looking like something, man. All the oohs and the ahs, man. I can't wait, gang. It's up. Charger on them Corleone things. Yeah, that thing gonna look good, man. Give me some color ideas in the comments below, gang. It's up. Well, at least we know what these things will look like with the rims on there. I ain't gonna even hold you. That white gonna look good. But I think we gotta go with like a little bit crazier color, gang. We definitely gotta go with a little bit crazier color, man. So now that we got this thing cleaned up, we know it starts, we know it runs and dries, man. The next thing will be is to get like it all checked out, make sure suspension and everything else is checked out on it. So stay tuned for that, man. We've been out here all day grinding out and trying to get it done, man. We'll probably do a test fit or something tomorrow with these wheels and see what's good. Meanwhile, we got this thing all cleaned up, man. SRT charger. Alrighty, guys, we got these things pulled out. That yin and yang, that yin and that yang. I ain't gonna hold you. The narrow body white Hellcat charger is looking good up against our wide body Daytona thing, man. Ooh, that Daytona ain't no punk though, gang. That thing looks so freaking sexy. I ain't pulled this thing out in like a week and a half, 2 weeks. Golly, look at the lippity lips on this joint, dog. Y'all see what's going on. Wide bodied up. SRT me. Feel me, we ain't playing. Wide body, narrow body. Hellcats back to back. Oh man, it's a movie. Y'all let me know which one y'all favorite one is so far. I'm pretty sure I can guess which one you guys are gonna pick. But like I said, man, they both will be looking great real soon, man. So I can't wait. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, gang. It is up. sir. Ooh, 717 horses versus 700 horses, man. It all come down to the driver. It's only 17 more horsepower in that wide body than this bad boy right here, man. I ain't gonna hold you. With the stocks and the rims, we might have a good lineup. We might have a good competition. I wish it was like two of me here so we can take these things out real quick and see what they do compared to each other. But y'all know what it is, man. We about to get these things back pulled in. I just wanted to pull them out real quick, give them some little shine time. Actually, let's see what this thing sound like. Let's see which one got a louder exhaust. She's shooting. She's shooting out the pipes, gang. She's shooting out the pipes. Okay, bet. So we got the wide body, man. Let's see what that narrow body gonna do. I don't even know. Oh, dang, we shooting water all on the camera. That's crazy. Man, I don't even know which one sound louder, man. Y'all gotta let me know which one sound louder. So, we can see which one we need to throw some exhaust on first, man. So, y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Meanwhile, I'm about to get these things back pulled in. And all the above, I am excited. The yin and yang 2020 thing is going yay, man. Y'all know what time it is, gang. It's up. And just like that, man, we got the cars back pulled in the driveway. We got the big Julie truck that's up next for grabs. We got our vet right here. We got the Hellcat. Ooh, wee. This is a lineup, man. This is a lineup. We literally got every flavor you might want. We got foreign, we got muscle, we got a little bit of mix in foreign and muscle. We got the big daddy dually truck, we got the wide body thing, we got the motorcycles in here, man. Take your pick, man. Whatever you like, I got. So you guys know what time it is. I appreciate y'all tuning in today. But y'all know what it is, man. It's up. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. You guys seen we recently grabbed another Hellcat from the auction, man. I wanted to tackle it yesterday, but it was just oh so cold. Then not only that, man, we did pick up another freaking Road Glide, so I had to tackle that first before we got a chance to enjoy our Hellcat, man. But furthermore, man, we back in the garage. We got that thing cleaned up today. Now it's time to get these rims situated. Our wide body kit for this car is already on the way. We're definitely wide bodying this thing, so I can't wait to see what that thing is going to look like. I already know what it's going to look like, but I can't wait to see what we can do to it, man. So not only is it going to get the wide body, we are going to wrap that thing, give it a hell of a color. That white just isn't going to cut it for me, man. So stay tuned for that. I can't wait. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys know what time it is. Our 2022 CVO is up for grabs right now, man. This is your last opportunity, man. $25 can win you a $60,000 Harley Davidson CVO in blue steel from yours truly, man. All you got to do is support your boy by going to everythingregular.com right now. Going to cop you a Everything Regular Movies Only patch, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. We are almost sold out, and it is almost that time to shine. Somebody's about to get a hell of a Christmas gift, and it could be you next, man. So don't hesitate. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your entry. Meanwhile, man, it's cold as heck. I got the cars and stuff pulled back in the driveway. We got everything cleaned up, washed, and so on and so forth, man. So with that being said, I appreciate you guys tuning in, man. Merry Christmas to everybody out there. I hope you guys are having an amazing, wonderful day with your family, man. Until then, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.